Creating content consistently on LinkedIn is one of the biggest challenges for most people. You have ideas, you know what to post, but turning those ideas into actual content every single day is where things get difficult. Most people don't fail because they don't understand the strategy. They fail because they can't stay consistent. Writing posts takes time, energy, and effort. And after a few days, it starts to feel overwhelming. I've been there too. I used to spend hours writing posts manually, trying different templates, and even using AI tools. But it still felt slow, repetitive, and honestly, exhausting. That's when I decided to change my approach. Instead of creating content from scratch every day, I started using a simple workflow that helps me generate, plan, and schedule my content much faster. And now, I can create an entire week of LinkedIn content in under 30 minutes. Let me show you how this works. Once you log into Dynal AI, you land on the main dashboard. This is your control center. On the left side, you'll find the home menu where everything begins. From here, you can start a LinkedIn post by writing an idea, uploading a PDF, pasting a website link, or adding your own text. Next, we have trending. This section gives you access to post formats that are already performing well, so you don't have to guess what works. Then comes brand DNA. This is where Dynal understands your tone, your style, and your personal brand. Analytics lets you track performance. However, this feature is coming soon. Plan helps you organize your weekly content strategy, and calendar allows you to schedule your posts and stay consistent. At the bottom, you'll find your recent projects for quick access and editing. Now that you understand the layout, let's move forward. Now, I'm going to show you a real example. Instead of writing random text, I add a practical topic, and within seconds, Dynal generates a complete LinkedIn post. You'll notice a strong opening hook, clean formatting, short, readable paragraphs, and clearly structured insights. Below the post, you'll find smart refinement options. With just one click, you can adjust the length, improve the tone, or even turn it into a question-based format. This saves a huge amount of time, and it doesn't stop there. Dynal also suggests creating visuals, including LinkedIn graphics and carousel slides. Now let's create another post. In just a few seconds, Dynal delivers a fully structured draft with a compelling hook, clean spacing, and organized insights. But here's the powerful part. Instead of typing an idea, I upload an image and confirm it. As soon as the file uploads, Dynal scans the entire document and transforms it into a structured LinkedIn post within seconds. At the top, it creates a strong hook. Then, it organizes the content into clean sections. If we scroll further, it even suggests relevant hashtags automatically. Now let's look at the trending feature. Instead of generating content from scratch, Dynal pulls in real posts that are currently gaining traction on LinkedIn. You can select any post, choose your topic, and Dynal will reframe the original format from your perspective to create a fresh version. Now, you have two options. You can keep it as a text-only post or generate visuals. I'm selecting visuals and instantly making it more engaging and easier to understand. No need for Canva, no external tools. Everything happens inside Dynal. Now let's explore another feature. I'm clicking on the Plan section. Here you'll find the LinkedIn Posting Strategy Assistant. This helps you build a complete content plan, not just a single post. I select Create New Plan. First, you connect your LinkedIn account. Then, you set your brand, voice, and audience. Select your account plan, your start and end date. Set your time zone, select your tone, and simply click on Next button. Once you click Next, Dynal automatically generates a structured posting strategy tailored to your goals. So this isn't just a writing tool, it's a complete LinkedIn growth system. So now my content is consistent without me having to show up every single day. This workflow has made content creation much easier, faster, and more manageable. If you want to try this system for yourself, check the link in the description. It can save you a lot of time and help you stay consistent with your content. Thanks for watching.